Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys I'm going to show you how you can insert or use a text as a watermark in Microsoft Word file. So we'll just open our concerned Microsoft Word, we'll go to design, we'll select watermark, and here we'll select custom watermark. From this option we'll just select text, and here you will include our text. Once done, just click apply. But before, please make sure to select the color which suits you and also the size. I prefer to select 144, the biggest size. I click OK and it's done. Once you have completed your work, save, click on save and it's done. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, please press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.